On this property, you can enjoy a fantastic view of the valley and hills all day, and the sunset is especially impressive when the sun is slowly setting amongst the hills. Within the property, with an area of approximately 13,000 square meters, next to the house there is a playground for football, children's playground, swimming pool and parking for 6 vehicles. The property with a panoramic view consists of 4 stone houses that can accommodate up to 12 guests. First, let us see the main house, which is called Anna. On the ground floor there is a living room, a kitchen and a dining room, and on the first floor there is a bed raised on a pedestal, bedroom and 1 bedroom with private bathroom. House Pina consists of ground floor with living room, dining room and a kitchen, and on the first floor there are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. The interior, defined by massive stone walls with old hewn beams, is suitably equipped with stylish furniture and decorative items. House Vera is separated from Anna and Pina, so you can have a little bit more privacy here. It consists of ground floor with living room, dining room and kitchen, and on the first floor there are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. The last house, Lori, is arranged as a large space with fireplace for joint societies, and as such it is perfect for gatherings and enjoying with friends and family. As usual, this is Tihana from Real Estate Portun, wishing you all the best and see you soon.